In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to free up storage in Outlook. If your mailbox is creeping toward its limit, a few built-in tools can quickly reclaim space without losing what you need. I'll walk you through options for both the new Outlook experience and classic Outlook on the desktop, plus some smart cleanup features. If you're using the new Outlook or Outlook on the web, start by opening Settings and selecting Storage. This page shows a clear breakdown of what's taking up space by folder. From here, you can delete older items in bulk using time ranges like older than 3, 6, or 12 months. It's a fast way to trim newsletters, notifications, and other dated mail while keeping recent conversations intact. Before you confirm, skim the preview so you don't remove anything you still need. In Classic Outlook on Windows, go to File, then Info, choose Tools, and select Mailbox Cleanup. Click View Mailbox Size to see both local and server usage. The numbers are shown in kilobytes to estimate megabytes. Move the decimal 3 places to the left. This helps you spot which folders deserve attention first. Next, clear out your deleted items and junk email. Right-click each folder and choose Empty Folder. Items you've deleted still count toward your quota until you empty these folders, so this step often gives you instant space back. To keep things tidy automatically, go to File, Options, Advanced, and check Empty Deleted Items folders when exiting Outlook. Just remember, anything in deleted items will be removed when you close Outlook. To target the real space hogs, sort your mailbox by size. Use Filter, then Sort By, and choose Size to bubble up the largest emails and attachments. In Mailbox Cleanup, you can also find items older than a certain number of days or larger than a set size, then permanently remove them with Shift-Delete. Because Shift-Delete bypasses the deleted items folder, double-check your selection before confirming. In Outlook on the web, the sweep feature helps you automatically remove messages from a sender or clear older messages in a thread. Finally, streamline long threads with the Cleanup tool. Select a conversation, go to the Home tab, and choose Cleanup Conversation or Cleanup Folder to remove redundant replies that already exist later in the thread. If you need to retain older messages without keeping them on the server, turn on Auto Archive under File, Options, Advanced, Auto Archive to move older items into a PST file. Follow these steps regularly, and your mailbox will stay lean, responsive, and within quota. Thanks for watching.